Namaste dear parents. For more videos of our children, please do subscribe our YouTube channel Oakwood the Rajahmundry School. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates.
Finish. What is that letter?
K.
K. Danvik, what is that letter?
K.
What is this letter?
H.
Yes. What is this letter?
I.
I. Shh. What is this?
F.
Here, put here. Very good. What is this letter? E. Okay, sleeping line. E. Very good. What is that letter? A. Very good. What is this letter? L. What is this? X. Letter? Shreyash? What is this letter? V. 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 V sound? What is that letter? Say louder. Small H. H sound. Ha. What is that letter? Make it. H. Small H or capital H? Small H. What is that letter? B. Show me. Show me. Yes, B. B sound. What is this letter? B. B sound. B sound. B sound. B. B. What is that letter? B. B. What is this letter? B. B sound? B. What is that letter? Show me. Yes. What is that letter? Say. B. B. B sound? B. What is that letter? Louder. Louder. What is that letter? Letter. C. C sound. C sound. K. K. What is this letter? Louder. Small G. Very good. G sound. Louder. G. What is that letter? Louder. Show me. Yes. What is this letter? I. I sound. Import. I for import. I sound. I sound is E. A. What is that letter? Huh? What is this letter? B. B sound? B sound? B. Wow. What is that letter? What is that letter? Show me. Yes. What is that? Show louder.